guys, Merry Christmas! And in this video, my brother and I are going to be decorating a gingerbread mansion.
This is the JDC Show.
Hey guys, this is our first time meeting. Hey guys, this is our first time meeting. This is Anthony.
And this is Pete.
And I am Joseph.
Our gingerbread mansion plan has backfired.
And this is what happened. But on the bright side, we get to make delicious holiday cakes and eat all the candy. Here are the ingredients. Holiday cake mix,
Water.
egg,
Put your cake mix in a bowl.
add the water,
And add your egg.
and then whisk. After mixing, scoop some of the holiday cake mixture and place it on the pan.
When one side is done cooking, flip it to the other side.
Enjoy it with butter
Syrup.
or plain just how we like it. Thank you for watching. Have a holly jolly Christmas.
And as always, leave a like.
Consider subscribing and we'll see you in the next video. Bye! If you haven't yet, check out some more of my videos. And how about you go consider subscribing at my brother's channel, Pam on the Guide. See ya!